So guys, I have another Amazon product review. My grandson Ryan and I are going to review a product sent to us from Pancky. They sent us a junior and an adult version of metal detectors. And my grandson Ryan and I are going to his brand new backyard. My daughter just purchased a new home. And we are going to dig up the backyard because they're going to resod and reseed here pretty soon. And I will warn you, my grandson was a little upset to see me pull out a child's detector. You know, he's kind of a detector snob himself now, 10-year-old treasure hunter himself. Little did he know he was going to be keeping both of these metal detectors at the end of this day. And I will tell you, he's been using them every day since, right? Here is another Amazon product review. This is the Junior Metal Detector by Pancky. We are also going to be doing the demonstration of the adult version of this. And yes, that's the dogs in the background. They will be playing non-stop throughout this whole video. Let's take a look and see what's inside this thing. All right, Ryan, you want to put that together? All right, what else we got in here? We got a... That's pretty good for scraping up. Looks like we got a travel bag with it, and I think that's the heaviest thing in the bag. There's a battery in there too. All right, so a little plastic spoon as well. Let's take a look at that thing, Bubs. Look at that. You almost have it already put together. Looks like that just slips right on there, slides right on down, make an adjustment. Wow, that flips right on over. You couldn't be easier. Okay. That is a tiny display. Looks like the on and off button's right up here. So this is giving me an all metal mode metal detector. I have a funny feeling. Let's see if it's any good. Okay, let me have that back. Where's that at? Right there. All right, let's dig this one up. The only thing is, this one doesn't tell us how deep it is, but I don't think it's going to go that deep. Here, you want to take the, well, see if you can look. I can see the coin. You want to see what that is?
Nickel.
That is a penny. That's a zinc penny. Okay. So you got a target right there. Here, let me see on camera how it looks. Oh, it's got a little target right there. So that it would be right there. Move that coil. Move the coil right there, right?
Yeah. Basically.
All right, scan over it. What we do, lose it? That's still there. Here.
If it's in there.
Yeah, find it. That's why you have that plastic rake and stuff. I see the coin right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh. Penny.
Another penny?
Yeah.
Another penny. Another zinc penny. You got another target there, Bubs?
Yep.
Where's it at? Right there? Alright, let me see it so I can pinpoint with this. That's why you should wear shoes, Bubs. Oh, I see another penny right there.
No.
You're cleaning up on the pennies for sure. You got another target there, Bubs?
Yeah.
This thing's working out pretty good back here.
Pretty dang good.
Where's it at? Right there? Alright, let me pinpoint with it. That's a weird signal there. Well, it detected a nail. How do you like this one, Bubs? What do you think? It's pretty darn accurate as far as finding metal for sure. Would you agree?
Yeah. Give this thing to Jack.
I think Jack's ready to use it. Okay guys, I got another Amazon product review. It comes from Amazon Prime, so it's a box. Just like everything else Amazon, in a box. But anyways, we have the Pancky PK0075 model. It's a discriminating metal detector that my grandson and I are going to put together right now, and then we're going to test it in the backyard. All right guys, we're going to open up the box. Start your treasure hunt. Yeah. We have a case. Ryan, will you take the case? Ooh, this one comes with earphones, Ryan. Holy cow. And once again, we got another one of those awesome little shovels and picks. We have the owner's manual. Okay, we got the control module. Oh, nice. It comes with the batteries. Okay, the rest of the components we'll go ahead and remove from the box. And it's a nice big old search coil. I believe that's a 10-inch search coil. Ryan, will you hold that search coil? So this one is just going to go in just like that. See what I mean? And then that's going to be the bottom. This one will go in just like this. Shove that back in and it clips right in place. Snug that to tighten it up, and then the next one goes right in. Right there. Snug that up. And now we'll put the coil on. Control module is going to go up, facing the upward position. Piece of cake. There, he just clips right in place. And we have put it together. Okay, here's the Pancky metal detector. I just dug a nickel. Guys, let me show you the different modes. I'm going to go to here. AM is all metal mode. It's going to detect everything from iron all the way up to your silver. Okay. We're going to go down to discriminate. Hi Luna, are you helping me? Are you helping me, Luna? Yes, you are. Yeah, Luna is one of my grand dogs. Go down to memory. You choose and notch out what you want, and then it'll save it. And then jewelry mode is what I recommend you keep it in, because realistically you get all the good targets, and we just dug a nickel in jewelry mode and it notches out the iron. Okay, so let's see if we can find another target. Oh. Got a target right here. This one I might just leave a plug because there's a little grass in it, but all this is going to be dug up and cleaned up out of here. All right, got it out. All right, see the dime. Ryan, you want to grab that dime? So we got a nickel and a dime so far. Is that a dime?
Yeah.
Is that a dime? Yeah, it's a dime. Okay. Got another target right here, guys. Maybe right there, Ryan, you think?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have to go that deep. I didn't really look at the depth meter on this. Oops. Luna, are you helping or what are you doing?
Get out of the way. You gotta get
Oh, it's right there. See the dimes right there. Another dime. Sweet. Yep, that's going to be a dime. All right, are you ready to test this thing in the front yard? Another target here, Ryan.
Yeah.
You got it? What do you got?
Penny. You see the date? 1973.
Okay, Ryan, we're running out of daylight, but that one says it's like 6 inches deep, 93 in the silver range. Ooh.
Silver?
Yeah, silver range it says. Ooh, there's some roots here, buddy. There's some roots there. Oh my goodness, there's some heavy roots there. So I'm gonna flip it up over the top of those roots, I think. I might need to go grab a pinpointer.
Oh, I see it.
You see it?
Quarter.
What is it?
Quarter.
It's a quarter.
Is there any more?
Check it out. Okay guys, here's the finds with the two Pancky metal detectors. So we found a few pennies, I believe, with the child's detector, a junior detector. And I know this quarter, this nickel, this penny, and one of these two dimes was found by the adult metal detector. Okay guys, here's the two Pancky metal detectors that we demoed today. Over here is the junior metal detector. That thing was fabulous. That thing was completely awesome. It was strong, the target separation. It acted very much like a tiny little pinpointer would. That's how accurate it was, and target location and target separation was fantastic. That being said, the larger one could have used a little bit more of that target separation, but it behaved very good too. So I want to thank Pancky for sending me these metal detectors to review, and I will tell you, I absolutely love the child's version. It was absolutely a fantastic little metal detector and be a great starter metal detector. The adult version had some great settings, and I didn't play around with all those great settings, and it did its job. The target separation from the trash and the treasures was probably due to the coil size difference between the two. The little one was much smaller than the adult version, and that's why I like that little one. It was easy to pinpoint because that backyard had a lot of targets. So if you like this video, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video, and please take a look at either one of these videos.